Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube live. In this YouTube live, I will be explaining about my one-on-one AA coaching plans. Okay, I already did a few live sessions to explain that, and still many people are getting some questions, and instead of explaining them individually, I thought of doing it again. So mostly I will be doing it frequently because I have decided to do this personal AA coaching for more hours. Okay, so these days I have been working on publishing a lot of ebooks about AI, and mostly I released a lot of books, enough books. So hereafter I'll be focusing more on doing one-on-one AI coaching. If you are interested, you can join. Let me first share my screen and then I will explain the details. Suppose if you want to read the details, check the link in the description of the video, where you will be seeing the link to read the details. That will take you to this page. Okay, you will be seeing this link in the description of this video. Here you can find all the details about my one-on-one AI coaching. Okay, if you are new to my channel, if you don't know about me, maybe you can click this link to see my LinkedIn profile. Okay, and I have provided my email address and my WhatsApp number for contacting me through message. Okay, and the terms and conditions, like you can even book 1 hour, but one session should be of minimum 1 hour. You cannot split it into further minutes something. Okay, so that's the main criteria, and you can book my time based on pre-booking. Okay, so even you can book it for just 1 hour. If you like my way of teaching, maybe you can book further hours. Even next you can book 1 hour step by step. Okay, that's up to you. That's a whole plan. Okay, right now I'm using like platform like Pruply. Suppose if you want to use that kind of platforms, you can click this link. But I won't recommend using any third party things, because in case of Pruply, the first lesson they will be charging you, but they won't make payment to me. Okay, and for the subsequent payments, they will be taking more than 25 percentage as a commission. Okay, so that case, better you can directly contact me through my email ID rajamanikam.a@gmail.com. And that case, maybe if you are in India, you can make the UPI payment. If you are in other countries, you can make the PayPal payment. In case of UPI payment, it is just 800 rupees per hour, and in case of PayPal payment, it will be like $12 per hour. Sometimes I used to give discount, but right now I have a very limited time, so I may not be giving any discount, right? Maybe if this if the demand is increasing, I may need to increase the price to uh, do it in an effective way, right? uh, but anyway, this initial offer will be there for at least for a few weeks. You can make use of this opportunity. Okay, so I'm starting with very very low price, right? Just $12 per hour. You can learn RAG, agents, or anything. It's a personal one-on-one teaching, right? So I can explain the things based on your current skill set and your expectations. So it's a purely personal one-on-one coaching. So we can dynamically decide about the topics that we are going to discuss, right? But in case if someone is willing to know the very common things, I'll be explaining that things, because a few months back, I did a cohort batch kind of AI training. For that, I created a lot of slides and sample code. Maybe I will explain that things, just to go through that things. But for personal one-on-one coaching, we need not cover everything, right? So that batch, first batch I did 24 hours, and second batch I did for 16 hours. Okay, but if you want to learn personally, you need not spend all that hours, right? Suppose if you already know some basic things, maybe we can straight away go to RAG. And if you already know RAG, if you want to know learn about only AI agents, we can straight away go that, right? In that case, you can learn those things with the very limited minimum hours, right? That's what my understanding. But anyway, if you want me to guide you personally for completing any projects by connecting through remote access like TeamViewer or something, I can do that also. In that case, you may need to book additional hours. Okay, so it's all up to your budget and your learning priority and other things. Okay, so it's fully flexible. Okay, so it's a good opportunity to learn AI. So you know the need to learn AI at this time period, right? Okay, so if you are interested to know about my way of teaching, here in this page itself, I provided a lot of sample videos. You can click this video to watch the RAG tutorial video, the MCP tutorial video, LangGraph tutorial video. You can just go through that. It's a pre-recorded video, and you can freely download many of my ebooks. Okay, and suppose if you want to get the access to my recorded AI course, you can click this one. Okay, so that is very, very low price, 300 rupees in India, $8 through PayPal, or you can buy the that self-packed recorded AI course from rajamanikam.com also. Okay, this is about my AI training. So here you can see the things like click this AI for beginners. I would say that it's a good opportunity because there is a huge need to know about AI this time period. So you may not be finding these kind of opportunities, right? So it's a good opportunity, and it may not be there for a long time, right? So my primary goal previously was like selling my recorded AI course. I put a lot of time, more than 6 months, to create this recorded AI course. Just for the purpose of promoting that, I started doing one-on-one AI coaching. Okay, so that's how it started. So I may not be doing it for a long time. So when this opportunity is available, you can use that. Once this recorded course has started selling well, I may not be continuing my one-on-one AI coaching. Okay, so my first priority was m- even now itself. The first priority is selling my recorded AI course. But time being, I am focusing on one-on-one AI coaching. It gives a lot of benefits. I expect a lot of benefits from this, right? I can get some feedback from the learners, and I can know about their expectations and the trends. Even doing while doing one-on-one coaching, I myself learn a lot of things from the learners. Okay, so a lot of advantages are there, but it may not be for a long time. Okay, so right now I'm giving this opportunity. So those who are interested to use this opportunity can use that. Once if this offer is closed, maybe you can just go with reading from my learning from my recorded AI course. Okay, my recorded AI course has a lot of ebooks, more than 9 ebooks, and more than 8 hours of recorded videos. All the videos are provided with subtitle, and you can download them also. Okay, so even my course is available at Udemy Skillscare. I provided that links all there. It's getting good reviews, ratings there. Okay, so you can do the analysis and you can decide about joining one-on-one AI coaching. Okay, though I plan to primarily focus on teaching RAG, MCP, LangGraph, that kind of stuff, agents. Suppose if you want to learn Python, I can explain that thing also, even Python or anything related to online business, digital marketing, or how to use the AI for your business, and even simple prompt engineering, AI tools, how to use AI tools for doing something. For example, if you want plan to use AI tools for learning English, I can explain that. Even I released a lot of books about that. If you check my books, click this my books, you can see a lot of books. Around 43 books are there. Most of the books are related to AI. Okay, so here you can click this. So I have been putting a lot of efforts to learn about AI and discuss about with other people, and documenting it in the form of my blog post and books like that, even the tutorial videos. So I will be able to effectively do that. That's what my understanding. And the only thing is I couldn't reach the um, people who are expecting to learn from me. So if you are watching this video, even if you are not having enough time to learn from me, But if you know someone who is interested in learning AI, just tell about this opportunity to them. Okay. So, so here my books are there, right? So a lot of books are there. Right now, 43 books are there. Okay. So all are related to AI. AI for YouTubers, RAG, Python, RAG. This is detailed one. This is simple one. Okay. Don't fully rely on the review that ratings, right? Personally, I feel that this book is more good. It has a lot of information. I put personally spend a lot of time to create this rag book, which got this low rating. But this book, it got good rating. But uh, personally, I won't recommend this one. Okay, it's a very simple book written with mostly with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, so just for easy simplifying the things. Okay, but this is the really useful one. So what I'm trying to say is just the reviews and ratings are not reflecting the actual facts. Okay, that's what my understanding by going through the ratings and reviews of my books. Okay, maybe in the large scale it may be true in the initial days. Okay, so AI powered digital marketing, AI and data science interview questions. Okay, AI context engineering, chat GPT for beginners, AI agents for beginners, AI tools for healthcare professionals. Start learning AI today. AI NI10, ultimate guide to AI tools, building AI agents with LangChain, AI FAQ. Like that, you can see all and then click lot of books. Okay. So most of the books I heavily use ChatGPT for that purpose of creating the book. If you don't like that kind of books, maybe you can ignore this. Okay. But I put a lot of efforts in framing the proper prompts to get good information for the book. Okay, that's what I am doing for a long time. I'm just keep on experimenting various AI tools and different kinds of prompts to get the effective result. Okay, so even I can teach that also. Suppose if anyone is interested in releasing books through KDP, I can teach that also. So apart from teaching AI, I can do AI consultancy. If you want to start a project, I can explain about how to do it effectively. And even if you want to outsource the project, I can do that on hourly basis. Okay, so implementing any RAG project or agent kind of stuff. Okay, so that's what my thing. But in that case, it should be done pre-booking. Similar to AI coaching, you have to book my time in advance. Okay, but it can be even 1 hour. That's what I already explained, right? Because previously I used to do as a project, and some people may not be satisfied with the result, right? I may not be control all the factors. So in that case, it created unnecessary issues. So to avoid all that things, previously I had a team members, so I thought of going with that plan. But since right now I am the only person working on these things, I will be working only for the pre-booking things. There is no refund, but you, as I said, you can book only for 1 hour also. Okay, so that's the key things. So if you are recommending this opportunity to your friends, tell about these things also. Okay, I don't want to spend time in discussing about payments and other things. I don't have any accounts team. Okay, so if you feel that it is useful, just book my time, and then we can learn. Okay. Okay. Any other questions? Okay. So I have a lot of sample codings to explain, and I created a lot of slides. Okay, AI overview, machine learning, deep learning, RAG, LangChain, AI agents, AI chatbots, NLP, AI computer vision, MCP, context engineering, like that. And I keep on working with many people. Like especially recently, I started working with one person who is interested in doing RAG evaluation. Okay, so that kind of stuff. Suppose if you want that kind of information, also we can discuss. And if you want to outsource any project, you can outsource that also. Okay, and So one person is learning basic things, Python, SQL, that kind of stuff also. So first, if you're interested, I can teach that things also. Okay. But my highest priority is teaching RAG AI agents. Okay. Suppose if you don't want to spend money for one-on-one AI coaching, I would suggest getting this recorded AI course for very affordable price. In India, it is just $7, right? $7.60. Because of purchasing power parity, it is automatically giving 60% discount in India. But other people from other countries, if you need discount, you can use the discount code QPT for getting 50% discount. Okay, so just explore that. And for one-on-one AI coaching, I hope I explained about the basic things about one-on-one coaching, right? So obviously, next thing will be how to book my time, right? So for that, as I said, once you decide to learn from me, just ping me through this email ID or through this WhatsApp number, so that we can have a quick Google Meet discussion. And once I decide that you are suitable for my teaching, you can book my time by paying payment to my PayPal or UPI. Okay, and immediately I can mark your hours in my calendar. Okay, so that's one way. Another way is, as I said, Preply, but I don't recommend that because first lesson, it won't pay for the first lesson, and for the subsequent lessons, it will be taking commission more than 25 percentage, more than 33 percentage. But now, because of continuous usage of that platform, they reduced that now. Anyway, it's a significant percentage, right? So in that case, even I can give us a discount if someone is willing to pay directly. But anyway, I will be continuing that Preplay usage also, because some people may not be knowing about me, right? So Preplay is good for generating leads. So in that case, suppose if someone is coming from Preplay, I'm doing that things with Preplay, okay, or any kind of third party platforms. But if you know about me through my blog or through my channel, or if any of your friends are recommending me, so in that case, I can directly teach you. And in that case, I can give some discounts also, okay, because that will help me to save fees and other things, right? But this current price, $12, is a very limited time offer only. As I explained in my previous live videos, once after a few months, after doing this one-on coaching for a few months or few weeks, after that, I may be completely stopping that, or I will be increasing the price so that I can earn the money by spending less hours. Okay, because it is not scalable, right? Basically, I have a lot of other options, right? I here, as I explained, I spend time for releasing books, right? In Amazon, I released 43 books, and I do development other tasks also. I run a YouTube channel and run blog. Okay, so I need to spend time for that also. But right now, I have decided to spend more time, put more hours for teaching, yeah, personally. Okay, especially AI teaching. So you can make use of this opportunity. Okay, and if you want to earn money from my AI course, just to contact me. I'm offering 50% of late commission. Okay, so here you can see the details and 50% commission, that link. Okay, and any questions you can ask, like you can just ask the questions through chat, or you can send email. Okay. Okay, thanks. Bye. So the link is available in the description, or if you want to learn the link after later later on, after a few days, you can go to Google and search for QPT blog. Okay, so you can reach the blog, and then you can click this one-on-one AI coaching, this link. Okay, so you will be finding all the details there. And here, some people who were already learned from me. They added um, like review about that. This person added at LinkedIn post, okay, and this person added at Pruply, okay. So you can go through that, okay. But I won't suggest these kinds of reviews, right? So mostly people can fake it, right? So just if you can test it by yourself, just go to this course, or in this this is one way you can just get this AI course, and you can watch my tutorial videos to know about my way of teaching. Or as I explained earlier, in this page itself, uh, I provided links to my YouTube videos, tutorial videos, RAG, MCP, LangGraph, AI agents. You can watch that videos, and if you like my way of teaching, if you feel that my teaching will be useful for you, you can book my time. Okay, and because of the um, difficulty in scaling this kind of one-on-one AI coaching, I may not be taking all the people. So as of now, I have enough time. I can take at least two, three people in this month. Okay. But if more people are showing interest, either they need to wait, or I have to choose particular persons only. Okay. So that thing is there. But anyway, right now, if you contact me immediately, you will be getting opportunity to learn AI personally. Okay. Anyway, in that case, if you are not able to get that opportunity, learn the things from my books, my AA course, and my blog. This blog is free. Hundreds of blog posts I have added about AI. You can just learn from them. And if you have any questions, you can ask me. I'll be doing more analysis about that, and I will be adding blog posts for as an answer. Okay. 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 Thanks for watching. Bye.